Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. We're about to see what's inside. I'm not sure yet who this is coming from, but we're about to find out. Alright, YouTubers, here we go. This is on Amazon, so I'll leave my affiliate link down below. Thank you guys over at SMOROBOT. This is a tank, X1C. Oh, baby. This is a big one. This is heavy, so you might want to get help setting it up. And it is fragile. Be careful. We got strong suction power, precise motion control, high performance battery. Oh yeah. And now it's time to open it up and see what it looks like. Alright guys, right off the top we got the manual. We got some things here, machines down there. So everything looks good. Intelligent robotic pool cleaner. Ooh. Alright. Summertime is around the corner. Thank God. I think this is like the tool that you're going to need to grab it out of the pool. Out of packaging. Got some goodies in there. Take this out. Some stuff in here. Oh my God, she's a beast. Alright, hold on. Alright guys, here it is out of the box. You got the charging right here. Smart robot. There's the buttons on top. Take a look at those. This is like a tank. Yeah, this thing is heavy though. Here's a little hook. Usually just hook it on here. You can lift it up with the extension. Not sure if it comes with it or it might be hidden. Hold on one sec. Okay, directions. Press and pull. Here we go. That's where the filter, the stuff you need to throw out, dispose of. Pretty powerful though. I do believe you can buy an extension wand, so you might want to grab that too. I got that. It's ready to rock and roll. Should have enough juice to test out. We'll be right back. Alright guys, before you take a dip in the pool, here's the power. This is standard for the S. Bada boom. It'll clean normal. And then F stands for floor only mode, which is just the bottom of the floor. So if you switch it, it'll load up like this. Bada boom. And you just gotta drop it down slowly, as you can see in the video coming up. You don't want to rock it or tip it. Just drop it in and let it sink down to the bottom of the pool. So really cool. SMOROBOT. SMOROBOT. See right there, it tells you S4. Everything looks good. Look at those wheels. It's like a tank, like a robotic tank. Gotta love these robots though these days. But like I said, this thing is a little heavy, so you might want to buy the extended rod that they need to hook it up and lift like that. So they need a switch. No big deal. So right there's the main ones you gotta remember to switch. And if you want to do standard, which probably depends on the size of your pool, you probably want to do floor. But it all depends on the size of your pool. So most people probably do the standard. If they got a nicer swimming pool. Oh. It is ready to go. See? You can hear it. Is it gonna attack me? Oh, please. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay. Well, we saw it move. So it takes a few minutes to warm up. Holy moly, that scared me. Whew. Okay. We'll be back.
And then within about 1 to 2 minutes, it should begin cleaning the pool. This is the first test for this again. So we sank it down to the bottom. Now this pool here goes down about 8 feet. Right there is about 5 feet. And we will see how it goes. So now it's starting to stir up the water all the way up the surface. Like I said, it's about 5 feet deep. And at this point, those tracks should start to turn. And there it goes. It's going to start to clean the floor. So we'll see how it does. Now this robot is supposed to have a very methodical mapping. It's not random, so it's going to map the floor of the pool. If you had a square, it'd probably be easy. This is a freeform pool. And it's going to map it and make sure that it's getting all that debris. So let's see how it does over here with some larger piles of debris. Here it is cleaning the wall, and it's going to climb up and do a really nice job scrubbing that water line. It really has no issue staying on the wall. It scrubs it very, very well. Let's show it running around the pool a little bit.